Okay, right. So on to design, furniture and home. So I'd like to introduce to you a man who, again, I'm sure many of you who are connected with JEC World over the years, you've met this gentleman, you've had conversations with this gentleman, you may have had a coffee with this gentleman as well, or even had many other conversations as well online. Naturally, Editor-in-Chief of JEC Group, Frank Glowacz. Welcome, nice to see you again.
Hello, Peter. Glad to see you again, too.
Yeah, absolutely. Last time we met, I think, a couple of years ago, and then actually something happened. Yeah. Something happened, and now we're back here again, doing the same thing with even more innovation, more ideas, and more concepts as well. Before we find out who the winners, who the finalists are, tell us a little bit more about this category and what you were looking for in a winner.
This category really shows the freedom of shape that composite materials can bring. Clearly, you will see that in the three finalist files. But let's say, really the market, the opportunity to have a market was a real point in this category.
Let's find out exactly who those three finalists are.
Teahi Tupa sculpture. The use of modern advanced composite materials, engineering analysis, and manufacturing techniques were integral to the creation of the impressive carbon fiber sculpture. Teahi Tupa, the Eternal Fire, at the gateway to Rotorua in New Zealand. In partnership with Kilwell Fiber Tube, Gurit provided engineering services to this project. 3D printing technology allowed for a substantial reduction of waste, and fabrication using composite materials reduced weight and therefore transport emissions. The novel production technology applies the principle of circularity by using fully recyclable materials and avoiding any waste of unneeded molds.
Kaolin is aesthetically pleasing biomaterial which is completely bio-based, compostable and recyclable. It's made with biopolymer reinforced with natural fibers such as flax and hemp fibers. The low environmental impact of the kaolin is the one of its main advantages. It was designed with the approach of cradle to grave, and at each stage of its life, from the flax cultivation to its processing until its end life, we have studied each step to be processed and produced with a very low environmental impact. The kaolin has been designed and validated at industrial scale to be completely sustainable in its composition and its process. The kaolin was designed in line with the specification of a point of advertisement and printing sector. It's large, lightweight, stiff, thermofiable, and it has a controlled roughness and thickness, which allows printing and serigraphy with a high finish. Kaolin offers excellent machinability with a high cutting finish by using a standard cutting tools. Our product is suitable for composting, but we have developed a new process to recycle it. So we recycle all the falls of the production to produce new panels, and we save 98% of its properties.
Hello, everyone. I'd like to express my appreciation for being selected as one of the finalists for this award. I believe we are able to benefit from the carbon composite in terms of creating modern and zero-gravity table and chair. We aim to raise awareness among people about composite technology through these products. Thank you.
There we are. We've just seen the finalists, and it's so true what you just said, Frank, in terms of really highlighting shape and the benefit of shape together with the market as well, certainly in these three finalists. Right, Frank, we need to know, or we don't need to, well, yes, we do. We need to know, I'm sure the winner needs to know who he or she actually is. So, Frank, let us know who the winner is of the Design, Future and Home category.
So the winner is Keros.
Congratulations, Karos. You are the winner. You walk away the winner of this category, Design, Furniture and Home. And again, lucky enough right now in the studio to have Head of Research and Development at Kairos, Mr. Musa Kalfala. Well done. Congratulations. Fantastic. Frank's going to give you your award there.
And this is your prize.
Thank you very much.
How are you feeling right now? Let us know.
I'm very happy and very proud with this title. I would like to thank the JEC Composite organization and the jury members for the trust they placed in our innovation. And I would like to remember our history and our ethic, which is the main reason who push us to develop this innovation. So our story is a story of Roland Jourdain. He is the founder of Kairos company and the famous skipper in sailing race, the winner of double La Route du Rhum. Our history makes the connection between the sea and the land. So he discovered when he's sailing, sailing around the sea and the world, the huge amounts of the plastic coming from the land, and this raises a challenge and ambition for us to develop new sustainable materials for industries. So this material is called Kerlin. It's completely bayou-based material based on flax fibers, and it is compostable and recyclable. This material offers a green alternative for the industrial applications which come in from petroleum raw materials. So this material is also developed in European project, which named Flower. And I would like to thank all the partners of this project, and thanks also the Interreg for their support and funding this project, and also thanks all our colleagues who contribute to this title and this innovation.
A great achievement, and tell us how, from now that you've won this award and naturally your team, how does this change for the future? What are things that are going to change for you and the team from now on? What's vision? Tell us.
So it's just increase our ambition to go further this innovation and develop new other materials to be completely sustainable and to protect the environment, which is our ethics, and to be completely to follow our history with the sea, and to make the connection between the sea and the land, always by protecting the both fields.
Fantastic. And you're here with us next week in Paris for JEC World?
Yes.
Wonderful. So again, what you've heard, you're intrigued, you'd like to know more, you'd like to have a conversation with Kairos to see perhaps where you can collaborate in the future. I'm sure they'll be happy to sit down with you for a chat and even a coffee as well. Once again, congratulations to Kairos. Musa, well done. And thank you once again, Frank, for revealing who the winners are. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations again.
Bye-bye.